Jesus film for Maiduguri, at least to say that go inside church, it would have been understandable. They come carry and go one square outside for Meru. You know the one act say make everybody see him for Maiduguri. We go around me. So the guy when they play Jesus, they give her the cross. Of course, now acting they do. They carry the cross, they go. Then they shout, crucify him! Crucify him! Go around. Then they come and they look, well then, I go die today. They don't say that they watch them. Then they shout, they carry and reach the junction where they want to act the drama. They come carry the cross, put out for wall. Now acting now. They carry stool, keep for the guy. The guy climb on top the stool, hold the cross like say they don't crucify him. Now they start crucify him. Go around and say, well, like, I don't tell you this. You know, say, for Passion of the Christ, Jesus stopped, Eli, Eli, lama sabachthani, meaning my father, my father. Why has that forsaken me? The guy shouts the same thing. My father, why has that forsaken me? Waiting be the last word of Jesus. It is finished. And the guy died. As the guy said, it is finished. We hear go, go. Everybody take off. Meanwhile, the guy will be there. It's Jesus. He began calling. Chideni. Chideni don't know. Emeka. For here, Emeka don't reach out. Children don't go far. That's something tell her my son, when we go, I feel like 50 people are not being